Hey, welcome to my video. If you are watching this video or suggested or coming on your dashboard, thanks to my SEO skills and AIO skills, that's the reason you're getting my video on your YouTube. And you are watching this video because you're ambitious, but you're lazy, you're scared to move forward because you don't want to learn something, buy a course from school, and this is your right choice. Because even if you learn, like I am 8 years experience in my industry and in my platforms, in my services. Now if I teach you, you might gonna need equivalent time or 4 years or 2 years depending on your capability to consume or your lifestyle, everything. So it's not a smart thing. If you want to jump over 10x faster than others, you need to hire the right people. So if you're making 10k, 20k per month, and you're ambitious and lazy, you want to join in AI industry also beside your e-commerce store business, or you want to join, you want to have e-commerce website that have AI integrations, you want to have a dynamic websites like this. I mean, this kind of dynamic websites where you can have AI integrations. You want a directory websites like this where you can have AI integrations, automations, and you want something like this where you can enter business automated. Okay, then your agents, branding, everything, whether your skills or no skills, no coding skills, nothing else. Okay, but you want sales and marketing as affiliate marketers or whatever, then this video is for you, and we're the right person, we're the perfect person for you, because I myself 8 years experience. My CEO is almost like 15 years experience. He was on Scene magazine, and we are highly experienced. So why you need experienced people? I mean, let's say you don't want to do anything. Okay, you don't even know what is right or even wrong. You don't read it on a book, but real life is a different things. Okay, that's why you need experienced people, veteran people in the industry that you are getting into. Okay, so many people will say many things, and this way they make a lot of money. But what about you? I mean, I saw many affiliate marketers who sell like 100k dollars, then suddenly they turn into $100. Why? Because let's say about a GoHighLevel. So many people, if you are watching this video, you might be knowing about GoHighLevels also. So GoHighLevels in the app, I see every day many people sell GoHighLevels as affiliate marketers. But how many people provide the service to them? Okay, I mean proper service. I saw many people come to us and ask for service, fixing their problems. Okay, why? Because we are experienced, and they face those trouble from their previous service providers. Okay, so if you're looking for something like really make things work, like I made myself to other businesses before, business owners from broke to six figures, from debt free. Uh, so he can now be a financial freedom because I provided that much quality services. I don't want just to build a website. I also brought money on his table or her table. That's the reason you need to hire automation partner CILC, or you can contact with me for audit or fixing your platform. That's the reasons you're not making money, or maybe there is a problem, whether you're using GoHighLevel, System.io, Group CM, Scale.gg, or anything else. Okay, I use all of them. In 8 years, I wasn't just sitting and learning and doing all the stuff. We know all the stuff. Okay, you can see on my Fiverr. So it's not at any level because I wasn't working in active so much. But you can make an order over here. Now I will be go back to level 2 again. So you're in the right spot. You can contact with us. You can submit a mails. If you have ambitious to be a successful, but you're lazy, you don't want to learn, and you want to go with the right people, experienced people, you can call us or you can mail our CEO directly. This is the address, and also the best way to talk with the real people. We are so much transparency. You can see our works. This is real works, all the stuff, review, even the testimonial, everything, you can directly book us by clicking over there, and you will be invited on the Zoom call, and we will talk in a day that specific date and time that you fix. So we will love to see you on there. Have a great day and stay safe.